The Cobb County father convicted of killing his own son by leaving him in a hot car now wants a new trial. Attorneys for Ross Harris told Georgia's Supreme Court that prosecutors made numerous errors during his high-profile case. Fox 5's Angelique Proctor tells us what he says the issues are.
Ross Harris's attorneys say much of the evidence used against him was prejudicial and should be thrown out. If that happens, the Georgia Supreme Court could grant the Cobb father a new trial.
With the jury having found the defendant guilty.
It was a case that grabbed national headlines. The circumstances of leaving your own child to die in a hot car unnerved many. Following his 2016 conviction, attorneys for Ross Harris want the Supreme Court of Georgia to grant a new trial. During a virtual hearing Tuesday, they complained much of the sexual evidence used against Harris involving underage girls and prostitutes was irrelevant. At least one of the justices seemed to agree.
And I will say you did a remarkable job of proving that he is a terrible person. But proving that he is a terrible person is not the same thing as proving that he murdered his child.
The Chief Justice also questioned the reason why much of the adultery evidence was used.
I'm trying to figure out why you needed to mention the age of the women he was conversing with, why you needed to bring in prostitution, which is a crime, and also why you needed to take what were messages with thumbnail-sized pictures and pull out the pictures, blow them up to full-size color pictures, and present them to the jury.
The state justified the evidence in the high-profile killing of the 22-month-old child.
Given the hundreds of pieces of evidence in this case, 9 color photos that were sent back for the jury to look at are not unfairly prejudicial, showing that he was actually actively having sexual relations with women outside the marriage disputed the fact that this was a fantasy. This was something he actually really wanted to do.
The defense wants the high court to grant a new trial.
The sexual messaging acts did not make it more probable that Mr. Harris would intentionally kill his child.
Chief Justice Namia says the court will rule as soon as possible on whether Harris gets a new trial. In an unrelated matter, he also revealed that he has tested positive for COVID, but was delighted to be able to work safely from home. In Atlanta, Angelique Proctor, Fox 5 News.